Okay. Good morning, everyone. Before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Isna Fajrin. Currently, I am still registered as a diploma student of Batam State Polytechnic, Department of Electrical Engineering. This morning, I'm going to be present you on my final project entitled Energy Monitoring System. One small reminder, please keep your question until the Q&A session. So, I will start off by giving an overview of the electricity consumption, and then the problem definition, and then project objective, and then system design, and then implementation, and finally conclusion. Okay. First, introduction. According to the picture, in everyday life, we often find what's in the use of electrical energy, like use of water jet pump, and then washing machine, and lamp, and there is a fan, television, and the radio, and other equipment. And the cause is first, uncontrolled use of electrical energy, and then electricity consumption data is not stored, and then unknown electrical equipment or machine condition is on or off, and then control of electrical equipment or machine cannot be done remotely. And finally, the electrical energy consumption report system is still manual. And then, based on the graph of the number of micro, small, and medium business units from Badan Pusat Statistik or BPS, the number of UMKM or MSME in 2018 reached more than 60 million. It is possible that in 2020 it could be reached 70 million. The number of general public has enormous potential, just like the large number of PLN customers. And then problem definition. As I said before, there is problems in consumption of electrical energy, such as uncontrolled use of electrical energy, and then electricity consumption data is not stored, and then unknown electrical equipment or machine condition is on or off, and then control of electrical equipment machine cannot be done remotely, and then the electrical energy consumption report system is still manual. And the solution of all the problems is energy monitoring system. Energy monitoring system is a tool used to monitor the electricity consumption, both the household appliance and for equipment or machine commonly used by MSME. In addition, this tool can also used to control electronic equipment remotely. And then the product specification. This device works on an AC voltage of 2020 volt, and then measuring range voltage from 80 until 2064, and then current from 0 to 100 ampere, and then the power factor from 0 until 1, and then frequency from 45 until 65 Hz. And then the energy from 0 until 9,999 kilowatt hours. And then this product using a network connection, and then local server can use PC or Raspberry Pi, and then the application interface work on both Windows and Android operating system. And then project objective. This product can helping MSME and society in general to applying automation technology and information technology to manage the use of electrical energy effectively and efficiently. And then minimizing wasted electrical energy without any benefits. And then make a report on the use of electrical energy in Excel format and analyze the use of electrical energy. And then provide information that electronic equipment at the production site of the UMKM or MSME business or at home is alive or not, without having to check directly to location of the tool. And finally, the condition of electronic equipment or production machine and the amount of electrical energy consumption can be known. And then this is design of electrical. The energy monitoring system has two parts. There is first, hardware is a tool that will be installed on any electronic equipment or machine. This tool consists of a sensor. This is a sensor BZEM 004T 100 ampere. Is used to measure the voltage and the current. And this is the ESP8299 is as a microcontroller, and this is LCD to show the parameter data. And then this is power supply, and then this is relay to contact the equipment. And then this is software which is a Windows-based application, and this is I use the C# Visual Studio. And from this application we can control the electrical equipment to on off, like as a water pump is auto on, and then air condition is off, and then kitchen lamp is on, and then fan is on, and then washing machine is off. This is data of power consumption or energy consumption. We can check the data by pull down this button to get data from and to, and then refresh data, and then the data appears. We can also print the CSV file by click this button. And the next design interface, I use the Grafana to make this application. This is application based on Android. Also, we can also control and monitor of equipment of electrical from everywhere. And next, this is data flow diagrams. This is there is a lamp and washing machine, air conditioner, and water jet pump is connected to this device, and then all device will send data to the master, and the master will send the data to IoT cloud like Grafana, This device also send data to database server local, and then we can monitor from laptop or Android. I will show you how this tool works. In here, I use bulb or lamps, and we can start by push the power on, and then this LCD to show the parameter, data parameter like voltage, current, and power consumption, and we can start, and then we can push the switch to start, and the lamp is on, and then this is data of voltage and current, and then power, and then energy. It will send to the database and IoT cloud, and then we can push this switch to off. Okay, finally, and then finally, this is conclusion. First, the energy monitoring system can be used to monitor the use of electrical energy for MSME players and society in general. And then, energy monitoring system capable to storing data to local database directly over the network. And then, energy monitoring system can display data on electricity consumption in real time. And then, the price is more affordable because it uses economical components, so it is suitable for MSME players. And then, display data on electricity consumption is real-time using Windows-based and Android-based application. And the design is more flexible, it can adjust to your needs. Okay, if you have any question you'd like to ask, I will be happy to answer them. Okay, if there are no questions, then I will end this session. Thank you for your attention.